One shop gutted in Lokhajan, property worth lakhs damage. A very good morning to all the viewers who's watching the news right now. You are with Jirbon Kilingpi with the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. On Sunday night, one shop belonging to Dhoniram Hanse in Menhanse village in Lokhajan was destroyed by fire. Fortunately, no casualty has been reported in the incident. Here is more from our correspondent. Menhanse village in Lokhajan under Duarbaguri constituency is a village located in the Karbi Anglong-Golaghat border, falling under the Dator police station. Recently, there have been several cases of land encroachment leading to tense situation and has also created a sense of fear among the people. The village is also one of the most backward areas in the district. The incident which took place on Sunday night has left everyone in shock as it was the only shop that has been supplying all needs to the people of the area. Apart from this, there is no other shop in the vicinity which has the capacity to provide all the demand of the local customers. The owner of the shop, Dhoniram Hanse, told Karbi Anglong Live that he has lost one Pulsar bike, several important documents including bank passbook, lakhs worth of commodities kept inside the shop, and cash money amounting to more than Rs 50,000 in the fire. Dhoniram is now in tremendous distress as this being the time of school admission for the children, and also of his savings are now lost in the tragic incident. With great hopes, he is now looking towards the local MAC as well as Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Forest Board Chairman Richard Tokbi and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang for immediate financial aid to support his family.
Amuin tum lai hena lapu Pulsar bike 180 la pelang tum dukan alo ala pen dukan asom kana hok sitando alang tum chubir kia paisa suri pocket to se mi chupon dalo la pen dukan alo patumi kewan dukan amar ki jor dunji pura dak luhi kar cho ni tum program asen kan lang ta do abang so program long ki jor dunji pu suri cleaner cap to se amar kewan la anta mo khol mu anta na hok elo la pen ang tum along to pipisi kin hok la pen akisung vek abang pita no ni tum long aju tina ente yang ni tum ko pene kin hok afon ko piti ma kan sate
na hok ente to ke paisa la pen passbook phone hayan ta na hok elo ko kule thoko kastu ma dokan ko pia son ke do mata na hok ay selo peri akini kejewan abang api ari anta viderlo mi chu elo na hok ason do ko lo ihum la dokan ihum amar bostu an ke som mi chu elo
lakse
di ting thang api ari ka chu ma pe achoy ke ang tom lo ken kasu halung torpa hemi hum madokani hum amar bostu an ke chu elo ang tom da kelong ison ta dala
nasili tum kacheng hon sar tim Karbi Anglong along asongja po sar Tuliram Ronghang aki hayalang liphanta melabang so akisung abang puatum mithang cichini ne pin pen labang so akisung phoji pu cichini ne data jok alang itum ta ko son tan ne kisung apor eli dumla eli tuma kacheng hon tim Karbi Anglong asongja po sar Tuliram Ronghang aki hai la pen kai eli tum Duarbaguri MAC sar Richard Tokbi alang itum ta me labang so akisung along kecerap kacitu dunja pangsi alang itum pen ili hoi ili pehitame kacuning ridun ke lai khalo ja alang itum kwan ne da hormu kiwan tang kana hota dolo la alang tum tangkata sri pocket to se an mi chupon delo la pen Pulsar by 180 ka mi chupon delo la pen
Arjison Rongpar's report from Dolamara for Karbi Anglong Live.
Nangletum hiti ka helopen kedam ningka saksak doma do posita matha ikri humre ignon nangletum adung het kedo Phangcho Enterprise
Nangletum ladak longekji lage electronic goods, gift item, food item, cosmetic, water filter, sport and school item. Lasi humri non MS Phangcho Enterprises, Jirsong Asong Road, Rongkhela, Dipu. In a massive relief for residents of over 10 villages in Sildharampur area under the Mahamaya constituency, as construction of new road is underway on a fast pace. The construction of the road was sanctioned under the SOPD scheme. The road where the construction is underway connects more than 10 villages, including Morok village, Ingleng village, Jorteron village, among others. The 3.2 kilometers long road also serves as a link road between Dongmukak and Denarong. According to the local villagers, who are now very excited over the construction of new road, told Karbi Anglong Live that several villages inside Sildharampur will now get new road and they expect that their lives would now be much better. It may be mentioned, Sildharampur is the home of ex-MLA Bidya Singh Ingleng, ex-MLA Thorom Singh Teron, ex-EM Bidya Singh Rongpi, KLNLF General Secretary Thong Teron, ex-EM Kuntila Ronghangpi, and social activist Keshap Timu, who are some of the most notable politicians and personalities of Karbi Anglong district. This area has gained more respect as the current Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM in charge of Panchayat and Rural Development, Lun Singh Teron, is also from Sildharampur. The construction of new road after 30 years has brought great cheers and relief among the local people of Sildharampur area. Bikram Teron's report from Denarong for Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker Ritesh Inghi has also jumped into the election campaign meetings for its party candidate for the ensuing Assam State Assembly election to be held in the second phase on April 1. The election campaign meetings of various political parties have intensified across the hill districts since the announcement of dates of election. And the back-to-back BJP parties' election campaign meetings have been organized with the joint effort of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Deputy Speaker Ritesh Inghi, Nomati Constituency BJP Mandal Committee, Yuva Morcha and ST Mahila Morcha. As part of party talks, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker along with members of its party wings have been meeting voters of several interior villages. And during its election meetings, many from Congress and ASDC parties also merged with the BJP. Disappointed and with no hope left, over 50 families from Congress and ASDC joined BJP during the meeting on Monday. The election meeting held at Kaibongkro village was attended as the chief guest by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker Ritesh Inghi, and he was accompanied by Nomati BJP Mandal Vice President Pradip Ingti and VDC Chairman Thorom Singh Kro, among others.
Pini naltum bangkwan lo, pini BJP long ke mars dun nalitum. Naltung ke kopiah song penik lo.
Jadi
Kongres pen.
SDC sedak jun.
Oh, kadu wepen bang don kwan ha?
Bang thong kep ra isini.
Kopi polling station nik lo lagi. Sinthong se. Nang lige ante Kongres long kopiah pulo hal sut.
Nili aku be.
Kalang. Te nalitum si dak mangge rong dak polling pen nalitum si pangtang sonel.
Oh nili peneng masih lah BJP lang junu lang.
Kopi ning se thesinal dum BJP song long dunik lo.
Nili labang so ning kita lah BJP lang kita mana ladak rong lo develop dia mana lah terhar lah ni ringwell lah ni sini lah.
Kicu nalang.
Nili sar pen tu nili tang pima kusi nili dak BJP lang nili junu lah.
Pini mama lo lagi kewang.
Ini dak lah. Desert mang lo.
Oh, kacuru lo.
Produce sar dalam sar.
Oh, itu kacuru.
Bikram Teron's report from Denarong for Karbi Anglong Live. Those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.